All right, I'm going to show you how to use RODE Connect and Skype together for a phone call for your podcast. This is pretty much the easiest way, I think, to get into podcasting. And if you want phone calls to include in your podcast, I think this is the way to go. Now, I used to have the Rodecaster Pro and used it connect my iPhone for phone calls. Was pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Sounded great. Had the Rode Pod mic hooked to the Rodecaster Pro. I was hooked up fully, but all my guests, my co-hosts, are all virtual. It was the easiest way to go about it at the time. Since Rode has now come out with Rode Connect, it makes it so much easier for software and not needing a hardware solution like the Rodecaster Pro. Rodecaster Pro, I'm telling you, if you have in-person guests, if you want to use the advantage of the sound pads, if you need output to speakers and all that good stuff, it's definitely the way to go. I just didn't need the overkill of that any longer with Rode Connect coming out. I can do everything I needed to do for my podcast. I can do that through Rode Connect. Now, to get the best out of Rode Connect, you do need the NT USB Mini from Rode as well. That's to get the full features for Rode Connect. You need the Rode NT USB Mini. There's plenty of videos out there to get you started on that. That's not what this video is going to go for. This video is going to go for getting a phone call into your podcast using Rode Connect, using Skype, or any other program like that. There's other kind of videos like that too, but I'm going to walk you through how to do it through Skype, how to test it, not using a real phone call. I will advise you to do that. But this is just to get it. If you can get this part of it down, should work. But I still advise to test it with a real phone call before. Call your girlfriend, call your boyfriend, call a family member just to see if this works. But I'm going to show you how to set it up. You should be good to go from there. So there's Rode Connect, of course. And then I'm going to go to my Rode Connect stream. And let's go there. So now you see me up there rolling. As I see, channel 1, that's where my mic is. As I said, plenty of videos out there to show you how to set this up, all the system channels, all the virtual channels as well. You're going to need that virtual channel for Skype here. So now let's go and hit that up there. I'm going to record what we hear through Skype on this Rode Connect as well. So make sure, of course, if you're getting ready to do the phone call, that you make sure you record your intros, all that stuff, or just want to record a segment at a time. Here's how you're going to record and all that. So pull Rode Connect up. We're recording there. Let's come back. I'm live streaming this on StreamYard as well, just to record all the video together. So we're recording there, the audio video portions of Skype. So now you see my microphone level bouncing up and down. Make sure you have that Rode Connect stream set up there for your audio microphone setting. Cameras above that, of course, scroll up there. Not really showing myself, but there's where you can choose your camera. Speakers, Rode Connect Virtual. That's where you want that to be set up. We'll test that audio. And as you see, all that's coming through the microphone here in Skype. But what we want to do, make that free test call here. As I said, $2.99 a month on Skype. Get your own phone number. You can connect to a current phone number that you have, and you can make calls through Skype. Let's test that out.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
This is a test using Rode Connect. This is a test using Rode Connect with Skype just to get phone calls into your podcast. This is a test using Rode Connect. This is a test using Rode Connect with Skype just to get phone calls into your podcast.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype call testing service. Goodbye.
All right, so there you go. We heard ourselves. We heard the playback, and that lets me know that I can make a phone call through Skype now. As I said, once you have it set up this way, test it. Call somebody you know just to make sure it works. Record that through Rode Connect. That's where we're going to go back there. But I'm going to go back and play this, what we just heard through RODE Connect. And that's the definitely what we need to do just to make sure that it worked there. Okay, now we're back in RODE Connect, and let's stop that record and go back and listen to it. So now you're not going to hear me when I flip back over. You're going to hear the recording that we just did through Skype. We're recording there. Let's come back. I'm live streaming this on StreamYard as well, just to record all the video together. So we're recording there. Now I'm gonna stop. Let me pull up Skype. Have all your settings. Cameras above that. Of course, we'll test that audio. And as you see, all that's coming through the microphone here in Skype. But what here, as I said, $2.99 a month on Skype. Get your own phone number. You can connect to a current phone number that you have, and you can make calls through Skype. Let's test that out.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
This is a test using RODE Connect. This is a test using RODE Connect with Skype just to get phone calls into your podcast. This is a test using RODE Connect. This is a test using RODE Connect with Skype just to get phone calls into your podcast.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings.
All right, now we're back here live, and there you go. So you saw how that works. It recorded through RODE Connect. You have your phone call recorded through Skype, through RODE Connect for your podcast. So pretty much the most cost-effective, easiest way to get into this, using a phone call into your podcast, using RODE Connect, using the RODE into USB mini microphone. I think this is the most simple way to get into podcasting. And look, I've been podcasting for a few years now. This is my setup. This is my setup every week that I do a show. And I can't speak highly enough of the streamlined process RODE Connect that RODE has done with RODE Connect, the RODE into USB mini microphone. I highly suggest it. And it really makes this whole process simple. I'll leave links in the description for how to download the RODE Connect app, a link for the RODE into USB mini microphone, and just to get you started there.